everyone. So while I wait for my chickpeas to boil out, because I'm going to be making a chickpea curry later on, I've decided to have some garlic wedges with some gherkins and vegan salad cream. So the pickles are suitable for vegans, and I know this isn't the most appropriate dish that many of you may opt for, but I really love gherkins. They're so nice. Live a healthy life. Love Unique Fatso.